Well, I just purchased my new loose speed stick from Academy, and I noticed they had these little bitty guides on there. It had a funny looking first guide. The butt guide is kind of funny looking. Looked like maybe a scope that you could look through to make a more accurate cast. Not really.
What this is one of the latest innovations in fishing rod guide layouts. Since the cone of flight concept. And it's called the MicroWave line control system, created by the American Tackle Company. And their butt guide is a microwave guide. What it does is controls the spin and the looping of the line in this special eye, and then it comes out a lot straighter than the cone of flight eyes do, and they have reduced micro guides the same size all the way down to the tip. It's supposed to create a better casting distance and better line control. I'll test that out. Now the cone of flight layout consists of a larger size guide, the butt guide closest to the handle, and then graduates down to smaller eyes till it's the smallest at the tip. And that forms kind of like a cone. That's why it's called the cone of flight.
The cone of flight layout has long been used by most manufacturers, but now technology is changing and rod builders are coming up with new rod guides to build on. Now, in 1944, Hopkins and Holloway was formed, and later on they became partners with Fuji. And I will mention them later on.
And I will be testing this microwave system with my elaborate top of the line test facility. Okay, now I'm going to take this same reel and put it on a rod with the cone of flight system on it and see if there's any difference. Now I noticed on the Shimano reel, the line guide is sitting higher than the microwave guide. It's all center. It's always hitting the top. It should be riding in the center of the eye. That's what I would think. And then it would the line would move around, and then the guide would control it. But if it's riding on the top all the time, I don't see what the purpose of it is. You could just have a loop instead of an eye. So I believe this microwave guide should be sitting up higher, even with the line guide on the reels. So I'm going to put another reel on there and see if it's the same height. Now I put this H2O Menace reel on the rod, and the line guide on this one is also a lot higher than the microwave guide. So it's rubbing against the top throughout the cast also. Okay, now I'm going to get this rod with the microwave guide on it, the cast test. Three casts. Okay, I got the same reel on the rod with the regular common cone of flight guide and the same lure. About the same distance. 2. Same. Cast 3. A little bit further. One more. Yep, a little further than the microwave guide. Not all that conclusive though. So my conclusion is, I didn't see this microwave guide do much about, anything techie or anything. I couldn't see anything different other than it's just riding on the top. Now, if they would raise their guide up and then it was in the center, maybe do another test. But just riding on the top like that, like I said before, I don't know what the difference is than the cone of flight rod. So there you go. This is no professional. I'm not bashing them. I'm just telling you I did this for myself to see what the difference was. You have your own opinions on it. Let me know. Now, in 1995, Fuji came out with the K system guide eyes, and I like that for the spinning reel instead of the the regular eyes that were down further and smaller, these K-system eyes, I think work better. I like them. And this is called choking guides. They choke the line down, and then they come down to different KT tips or KB tips. And they got different kind of guides and tips for different rods.